Wait, we're rolling?
Well, duh.
What's good, AB Live? It's Ariana. It's Brianna. And today we're going to be unboxing foreign snacks from Munchpak. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And put your post notifications on. We're going to have it linked down below in the description box. Let's get into the video. You ready? You really thought I was going to stab myself?
I'm in danger!
So we're opening the box. And when we try a snack, we're going to rate it 1 to 10. What's this book that tells where the snacks are from? This is how it looks.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So we're gonna try the Pepsi from Japan. It's called Japan Cola. No, it's not. It is. They don't have it in there. Yes, it is. It's called Pepsi Japan Cola Caramel Punch. How does it taste? It tastes like a normal Pepsi, just weird. It just tastes like normal Pepsi. That tastes nasty. Alright, what you rate it 1 out of 10? I rated it 5 because it tasted like sweet. I rated it 5 too. So yeah, let's try these sour belts. Here's how they look. Should know where they're from. They are from Thailand. This is how they look. They look like the airheads. It tastes like an airhead. Yeah. That's good. I give it a 7 out of 10. I give it an 8. Next one. Let's try these. This is kettle cooked buffalo wing potato chips. Here's the buffalo. They're from United States. I've never seen these before. Here you go. Ready? 3, 1, 2, 3. This tastes like hot sauce. Yeah. I give it a 4. I give it a 3. It's not. Alright, let's try this. The Kit Kat Gold. Caramel. Germany. Stinks. I don't like caramel.
What?
Alright, let's try it.
Try it!
Nasty. I'll give it a 0. A negative 65. That's disgusting. And let's try this one. It's a fruit punch fruit roll from like the United States. Yeah. Oh well. It's like a beef jerky stick. That one smells so good. Alright, ready? 3, 2, okay. That is disgusting. Why did it taste like that? I rated a 0, but it's hard. I rated a 4. I want to try these. No, we'll just try that. These. Let's try these. Alright. I don't know what it's called, but this is what they look like. South Korea. Cosmos Takabaki. They look like pasta noodles. Oh, you look like the food.
How do I know?
Give it a 1 out of 10. Give it a 1. Let's try this. Okay. It's from South Korea. Crown My Cheese Strawberry Pouch. It's probably gonna taste like high cheese. They look like this. Really good. Tastes like yogurt. More stuff. Oh well, guess I don't try it.
What?
Here. It's like a Starburst. It's like yogurt mixed with gushers. Nice. Yeah. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. I'll give it a 2. I'm gonna try this. A cake bar. Where is it from? I don't know. It looks like this. It's from Bulgaria. What is that? It's not bad. That's good. I'll give it a 10. I'll give it a 9. That wasn't bad, actually. Alright, what's next? Let's try these. Peanut puffs. Where's that from? Mighty Puff. It's from Israel. They look like Mighty Peanut Puffs. Cheetos. It tastes like wafers, like vanilla wafers. It tastes like air. I rate that a 4. Yeah. Let's try this. A hand noodle. Where is that from? It is from Germany. Look inside. What is that? Sometimes it's good. I like this one. I give it a 10.
Wow.
This is actually really good. Let's try this. It's from Italy. It says it right here, made in Italy. Look like paper. So nice. It doesn't taste bad either. It's not that bad. I'll give it a 5. I'll give it a 3 probably. Maynard's Swedish berries. These are from Canada. Canada. They look like vitamins. Do they smell like vitamins? Ew. No, this doesn't look right.
We had to switch to a phone because our camera died.
Alright,
So who's on this snack?
I'll give it a
Alright.
2 out of 10.
Next one.
You have to rate it.
I don't care. This one.
That's from
The words are upside down.
it's from Israel. It's
What's
not
upside
upside down. It's called Manamim hazelnut wafer. It's like blue.
You nasty.
Yeah, it tastes like a wafer.
Ew. Rate it.
2. Bumba strawberry flavor snacks. Vegan, no preservatives, no artificial coloring.
That's from
What could be in it?
it's from Israel too. It says tasty, so let's see.
Oh, come on!
Yep.
Open it.
It's like Captain Crunch. Like the red balls and balls. Wait. This is good.
Those are nasty.
I give it a 7.
Put that away. Let's try these. Fritos. Lime. Lemon. Can you see what this is from?
It's from Mexico.
Oh, we got like $20. Oh, that's money heist. We got like $20.
Yeah, they taste like normal Fritos. I'll give it a 0. Fritos are nasty. Let's try these cheese rings from
They're from the Philippines.
the Philippines.
This crunchy snacks make food with your food acceptable.
They look like Funyuns but orange.
Not bad.
I rate that a.
I give it a 6 out of 10.
Give it a negative number. A lion bar. Look at the lion.
That is from Poland.
Poland. Are those nuts on top? Bite.
No.
You can't break it.
Oh, it's like a twist.
Leave it inside. Sounds weird. That tastes weird.
I don't know. I gave it 4 out of 10.
I gave it a 3. It tastes weird. I don't know why.
Let's try this
No,
one.
I don't like strawberries.
It's called Prince
Choco jelly.
and it
Choco
has
jelly.
strawberry jam inside of it.
They're from Pakistan. They're so small. Alright, ready? Ooh, I don't like them. Alright.
What is that?
That don't taste good at all. That is nasty.
It's like the
Chocolate
rest
is
of
too
those.
hard.
It's not bad.
I'll give it a 1.
Alright, let's try something else. Date-filled cookie bar.
What is from? It's from Saudi Arabia.
What?
No, it has dates in it.
I know. I don't want it either. It looks like a fig bar. Just go for
This is enjoy with your coffee, even a glass of milk. Look at the inside.
it. It's good.
Yeah.
Why the f you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop lying.
Delicioso. This is a. I don't know how to read this.
It's Black Thunder Bliss of butter from Japan.
Is that butter?
Butter on everything is a good idea.
It's so dry. These are beans. Look at the inside. It looks like beans.
Not bad.
2.
Alright,
Tastes
last
right.
not least, we got Oreos.
And where are they from? We have
From the
absolutely
city.
no idea. They're from Scotland.
No, Scotland.
We're gonna rate everything all together.
Everything else
So
is
the whole box. I give it a 6. I give it a 7. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.
We'll be doing another one called
So make sure you guys like and comment which one to do next. And get your Munchpak.
Peace out.
A-Town. What's good? Oh wait, excited.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Don't judge us.